Hi folks, I'm Rafa Sabag, and today I'll bring you a very important point regarding the product owner in Scrum. Well, that could be actually extended to product managers, maybe agile product managers. In the Scrum guide, we have a definition of what is the product owner, what the product owner is supposed to be and to do. And there it says the product owner is accountable for managing the product backlog, managing product definition, right? By adding items, removing items, splitting, detailing, etc., etc., and etc. But then the guide says the product owner can do that work by him or herself or can delegate. And I would say usually delegate to the team. But you see, this opens a wide range of possibilities there and reflects what we actually see in the market. So think about this. Let's imagine a range where we would have two very different product owners on each side. On one side, we would have a centralizer product owner. And on the other side, on the other end, we would have a delegator product owner. So the centralizer product owner is that one, and maybe you know someone like that, where each and every detail of the product needs to go through him or her. So that product owner needs to define everything. So in that case, the team has very little autonomy, very little say on the product itself. And that's very little scalable, right? Imagine this product owner dealing with a large product with several different teams. Well, that product owner would need to be everywhere all the time. In the other end, well, we have the delegator product owner. And that product owner works much more at problem level, at prioritization level, right? And the team would go after defining those details. We're talking here about product people, product developers, maybe, right? People who understand about the business, understand about the metrics, who can talk to stakeholders, so they would interact directly with stakeholders. And yeah, I know that requires a lot of maturity and is far from being the usual case. I know, right? Don't forget I'm talking about extremes here. But of course, this is much more scalable. This is much more agile, and we have more people thinking and participating in product definition and trying to create the best product that they can. Well, of course, I'm talking about the range here, and well, we could be more to one side, more to the other side. If we are in the middle, for instance, that would be more or less the case where the product owner defines the details, or to some degree, and then brings them to the team. And then together with the team, they will, well, finish the details, agree on stuff, they have their say on it, and together they would, well, have whatever needs to be built, right? One important thing here, folks, if you are a product owner or an agile product manager, where in this range do you see yourself? And where do you want to be? Are you a centralizer and have all that load on your back, on your shoulders? Or are you trying to go more to the other end, but you do not have the appropriate people because the people you have in your teams just want to do their tasks because they were hired for that maybe? Well, think where you want to be. What can you do, well, to go further to the other direction? To have more people involved in product definition, right? And then we would have much better products. Thank you. That's all for today.